Welcome back. Last of previous video we talk about what is the scope of Python, right? So here we will explain that topic, right? What is the job area or what is the scope for a Python developer, right? For example, you guys learn Python and where you can go after learning the Python, right? First is one of the vast field which we have available in today's world due to internet, right? That is web applications, right? So for the web application, we have Flask, Django, and different frameworks, right, available into the Python, which we can do that, right? Even the game development is a very good scope in Python, right? The game development is also used for Python, right? So that is a very good area. And for the mobile development, right, for Android or whether any platform from Android or iOS application, all the backend job like APIs we need to link at the server level, that everything done by the APIs. So that APIs is written into Python, right? We can write into that. In today's time, the most of the application are written into like Python language, right? Then next field is testing, right? The guys who do not want to go into the development, so the testing is the one of the most exciting and very good option for that persons, right? So in testing, right, the Python is also used for the automation testing, right? So that is again a very good tool. And there are so much automation testing tool where we use Python, right? So again, testing is a very good option. And we also talk about in previous video, we have a GUI libraries in Python. So that is the reason we have a desktop application development. So we have a GUI library for Windows, for Mac, right? That we use to develop the desktop application, correct? So that is a very good job area in which the Python developer can do the job. Then the most exciting job offer is big data, right? You know guys, in today's world, data is one of the best thing in which is used by the large organization, right? Data is a thing which is greater than money, right? So big data, where we use Hadoop, right? Where we use pandas or different tools, right? To handle the big data, the data which is in TBs, right? So Python is a very good tool which is used into the big data, right? In here we have a data collections, right? Kind of tools which we use to manage our large data. So in that, the Python is very useful. And the next thing that is in today's world, one of the exciting jobs, that is data science and data visualization, right? So there are so many programming languages that is used to data visualization and data science, but Python is still one of the leading programming language which is used into the data science, right, and the data visualization. And then next thing is machine learning, right? For example, we create a machine which learn itself, right? For example, you guys have a phones in where you guys will have a touch login, right, or a face login. That is the things which comes under the machine learning, right? Machine is learning itself. So the Python has a very good job option into the machine learning as well. Python have a very powerful libraries which is used into the machine learning, right? So next thing which is my favorite, that is the artificial intelligence, right? So for the artificial intelligence, Python is again a best option, right? The thing which we can do into the different programming language, that thing we can very easily and with very less time effort we can do into a Python programming language, right? The next is a blockchain, right? So blockchain is another exciting job area where the Python developer can contribute, right? So and the salary structure of blockchain is very high as compared to the other fields, right? So that is the different job criteria. Apart from that, there is server level, there is a maintenance kind of jobs, server maintenance kind of job, in networking kind of job, right? I have a less space, so I do not mention here. In networking, server maintenance or application maintenance, there are so much jobs, DevOps kind of jobs in which we use Pythons, right? and you guys can see that the leading organization like NASA, Google, Yahoo, Sun, and Wikipedia kind of organization use Python into their development, right? So you guys can imagine that Python how much powerful is, right? So hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys got a clarity, right, after doing Python, what are the job opportunity you guys have. So after this video we are just going to start with the installation process, and we will start it with the core programming, right? So hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. So time to time you guys will get notification of this tutorial. Please do subscribe our channel. Just click onto the red button below this video and turn on the notifications so that whenever we upload any technical video, you guys will get the notification. So by saying this all, thank you so much for your time. Have a very good day.